Hey everyone, welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage. Just want to show you a quick tip. If you're using exhaust manifolds on your small block Ford or I guess any kind of old Ford for that matter, here's like a cool thing that you may or may not realize, but from the factory, these exhaust manifolds, they didn't use any gaskets. So like over time, they may not seal very well, but you can like take your exhaust manifold and take them to your local machine shop and they can like plane the surface of these to make them like ultra true again. And then all you gotta do is bolt them up to your engine and these will seal with no gaskets. That's how they work from the factory. And it seems weird, but they do seal right up. So another cool thing that I like to do with these, if you're going for the concourse look, I know they were kind of just natural bare metal, and so they have a tendency to kind of rust out, especially in the humid climates. But I will take these and have them Cerakoted to look like a natural, bare metal look, but they won't rust up on you. So, so yeah, we'll go ahead and bolt these on. Okay, so you'll kind of watch like as I tighten these suckers up, it just seals right up after you kind of machine them, because your mating surface now is just true and flat again. Over time, these do have a tendency to warp, so it's important to have your machine shop kind of plane those for you, and they should be good. So I like to, just kind of work in a pattern when you tighten these. So just kind of, work from the inside out, and you should be good to go. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, because it does help us to create more videos, which I hope is helpful for you guys. Okay, we'll see you next time.